In this video, I have an incident narrative that needs to be fully redacted of all PII in order to comply with privacy as well as race-blind charging laws. Race-blind charging involves redacting information about race from court case documents so as to eliminate any chance of unconscious bias. Here, we'll learn how to redact a police report for any PII and comply with race-blind charging laws all in one step with CaseGuard. We're going to use the AI document as well as the list analysis features in CaseGuard in order to redact as many of these incident narratives as you need to in just 2 minutes. The first thing I'm going to do, come up here to Tools, List Manager, and I'm going to go to my Find and Redact lists. Find and Redact lists allow you to upload a list of any PII or sensitive information that you might need redacted. CaseGuard can identify all of it automatically and find and redact it for you in your files. I can just import my Find and Redact list. Here is a list of races that I can use in order to comply with race-blind charging initiatives. Now that I have that, I can go ahead and I can run AI document using both AI analysis and list analysis. I need lots of different PII detected and redacted. I'm going to go ahead and select everything that I need redacted. Now I can just select my Find and Redact list. It's going to instantly find all of the information that was in my list. And if I save this as a template, I'll never have to select any of these parameters again. I can select the template in CaseGuard and it'll redact everything instantly for me. Now you can see CaseGuard has immediately redacted everything for me. Super easy. If I scroll through this, everything's been redacted. I can export. Here I have a fully redacted file. But let's say I have a ton of these documents and I want all of them redacted at once. Super easy. If I use the bulk processing feature, this allows me to upload as many documents as I want at once. All I have to do is select my template. Now I can add any files that I need. And just like that, I'm going to click Apply. Now that that's done, I have all of my documents fully redacted. If I click on one, I can see my original version. In edit mode, this shows me through the redaction so that I can see what's being redacted. And then I can see the redacted version. Here in my project files, I can see all the redacted versions as well as the original versions that CaseGuard stores on my computer. So it only took me about 2 minutes using CaseGuard Studio's AI analysis and list analysis features to have 10 documents fully redacted to comply with privacy laws as well as race-blind charging laws. CaseGuard just makes it that fast and that easy. Hope you enjoyed.